Mason, what's in the package? You can just tear it away.
There. Ready?
What's in there?
Ready, Mace? Oh. What is it?
Oh my God.
What is it?
Pull! Pull! Pull it out!
What is it?
What is it?
Oh.
What is it, Is that a moose? What is it? It's a moose.
Give him a big hug.
Oh. Look at how big it
You
is.
want to sit on it? Like you do Nene? Here, sit on it. Like this.
Wow.
Woo!
That's a big one. Look at that.
Yeah. Can you go? Dun 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 dun.
What do you think?
That is big.
That's big and soft. You can nap on that guy.
There.
Ducey, get out of there.
I think Juicy likes your moose, Mace. Does Juicy like the moose? No!
Hi, Moose. What's Moose's name?
They're gonna have a tough time moving him around. Yeah.
Look how little Nene looks compared to your moose. Where? Where do you want to move it? Here, look. Put Nene next to Moose. Look at that. Where?
Yeah.
Woo! That's a good one to jump
That's
on,
a
isn't
great
it?
soft toy to lay around on.
That's gonna be a jumper, huh?
And Deuce has got his all opened up already.
Well, yay for Deuce.
Whoa.
Where do you want the moose to go? Over here? Moose has got to go over here. Here, Mace. Are you gonna come and jump on your moose?
Go jump on him.
Ready, set, go!
Just don't hit the wall.
Yeah.
Yep, don't hit
At
the wall.
Move it away from the wall.
Ready, set, go! Here she goes! Oh! Well, maybe a little further away from the wall. You don't know which way you're going to be throwing off the moose.
Move it further, please.
Ready, set, go! That would be a toy better put on that side of the room so you run toward it. Ready, set, go, and you jump! Oh, you missed it. Oh, that's a big soft one to crawl all over. If only Uncle Kevin would capture the big one.
I got a sticker on me? Are you gonna wear the
He
sticker?
found the sticker.
What do you say, Mace? Do you say thank you, Uncle Kevin?
Can you say thank you? Can you say thank you? Thank you.
Did you take a picture of it, her on it?